I've always looked up at the sky. It wasn't just blue, it was a canvas of endless possibilities. But life, it had other plans, responsibilities, expectations, family, kids, all the things I would never change. But before I knew it, I felt like a bird that was growing clipped wings. Then I discovered steampunk. The blend of artistry and engineering. It was like finding the key to unlock my own potential. I decided to build my own wings. It wasn't easy. Setbacks, doubts. I even have a scar to prove it. But with every rivet hammered, every gear turned, I felt a spark of hope ignite. The Phoenix, it's more than just a machine. It's an extension of my soul. I poured everything into it, from the hand-stitched leather to the intricate steam engine. Did I know everything about dirigibles? Oh, absolutely not. I devoured books, consulted engineers, who mostly chuckled at my ambition, and I learned through trial and error. Navigating this airship is a constant learning curve. Wind currents, temperature, even the morning dew on the canvas, they all play a part. But that's the adventure, isn't it? Look at this place. It's a dreamscape sculpted by giants. These rock formations, they're like sleeping beasts from another world. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? What else is out there beyond the horizon? That's what drives me. The insatiable curiosity to see what's around the next bend, over the next mountain. These canyons, nature's cathedrals, soaring through them is exhilarating, but it's not without its risks. The wind whips through these gorges like a playful spirit, and navigating those natural bridges, well, it takes a steady hand and a bit of daring. But overcoming those obstacles, that's where the real thrill lies. And then there are these cases of tranquility. Oh, these lakes reflecting the sky, dotted with islands that look like they belong in a fairy tale. It's moments like these that I feel truly connected to the world, to myself. The journey isn't about seeing new places. It's about discovering new parts of myself. They say the sky's the limit, but I believe there are no limits when you follow your dreams. People will doubt you. You'll stumble. But what matters is that you keep moving forward, that you keep believing in yourself. The world is waiting to be explored, and you have wings to fly. So what are you waiting for? Find your passion, build your wings, and take flight. What adventure will you embark on today? Share the one dream you're most determined to achieve. And let's inspire each other to soar. VR Getaway, transporting you on beautiful immersive adventures using VR headsets. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Remember, the adventure never ends. See you again real soon. Bye now.